Good morning, Tokyo. I hope everyone is safe and doing okay. This is Ziad Mala from Greenwave, Tunisia, and today I am presenting my team's project. So, during the ideation process, we went through research for the world's biggest ecological issues, and something in particular caught our attention, which is the shocking numbers behind cigarette littering around the world and its ecological repercussions. As a matter of fact, 4.5 trillion cigarette butts are littered globally each year, and each of these may take up to 10 years to degrade naturally because of the plastic components in the filter. On the other hand, we found studies confirming the ability of a bacteria called Neisseria sicca to degrade cellulose acetate, which constitutes the filter. Joining this awesome discovery with that huge problem, this was the starting point of our project's concept. We present to you Tasha Qutaish, which stands for Blow and Throw in Tunisian Arabic. The idea consists of implementing a capsule filled with bacterial mass in the cigarette filter, which will allow to reduce the biodegradation period potentially to few months. Our activities include 3 simple steps, which are bacterial cultivation, encapsulation, and sales. The first step will include isolation, inoculation, spread plating, gene sequencing, and dry freezing for the bacteria. Then the second step is about capsule manufacturing, including design and research. Research and design is based on 2 main operations, which are the immobilization of cells on a matrix of alginate gel and 3D printing. These technologies help us get the design we want for the capsule and test as many as we can, so we will be able finally to choose the adequate design, composition and size of the capsules that will be produced in big numbers. As for the printing, we can use Dremel Digilab 3D45 3D printer that cost $1,899. Industrial implementation. First, the production of the polyethylene capsules using a machine programmed by us automation engineers and similar to Jalloon machine used in the pharma sector. Second, filling the capsules using semi-auto metal capsule filling machine like CN100M, which can avoid the breakage of the capsule and also allow special fluid design and high precision. Last but not least, verification. AI will find the tiniest of faults in circuitry of a machine that might not be immediately apparent to a human. It will send an alert, immediately halting the machine in question so that it can be fixed. We want to have a fast and efficient capsule manufacturing, since we will be producing large quantities. Thus, we will rely on industrial robots that are very sophisticated with the ability to be easily programmed to handle more than just a single repetitive job. Third, delivery, storage and handling. As capsules are fragile and prone to breaking, it should always be handled with care. While storing it, layers should be separated from one another by protective sheets to avoid scratches and other damages. Also, the store will respect the norms of quality and will contain sensors to detect humidity, temperature and light and adjust it accordingly. Now, if you talk business, our target markets are obviously international cigarette companies, and the product we're offering is a ready-to-implement capsule filled with bacteria. Now, the way we're going to work on our sales is by implementing a very solid communication plan with customer-intended pricing and a good sales strategy. Also, we'd like to mention that we're going to be operating from here in Tunis because of the startup-friendly environment and the high-quality infrastructure that will allow us to ship our products worldwide, especially to the factories in East Asia, Europe, and the US. Also, for the legal structure, we consulted professional opinions and decided to work as an offshore public limited company according to the Tunisian law. Other business details can be found in the other support files that we attached.